Well, we're following the latest developments in a house fire. We first told you last night live here at 10 o'clock. The Lafayette family now without a home and the fire connected to cold weather. It happened on Weston Avenue near Poydras Street in Lafayette. The fire started in the bedroom from a space heater that was too close to a bed. Someone was in that bed asleep when someone else in the house saw smoke. All three people inside escaped unharmed. Officials say the family has lost everything. This is at least the third Acadiana family that's without a home as they were trying to stay warm during the deep freeze.